TRG tooth regeneration drug, Japan's clinical trials and future of dental care. In the realm of medical breakthroughs, few ideas capture the imagination, quite like the possibility of regrowing lost body parts. For centuries, humans have marveled at the regenerative abilities of certain animals. Think of lizards sprouting new tails or sharks continuously replacing their teeth. Now, thanks to pioneering research from Japan, that sci-fi dream is inching closer to reality for our smiles. Enter TRG an experimental drug developed by scientists at Kyoto University and the Kitano Hospital in Osaka, which aims to stimulate the growth of a third set of teeth in humans. This isn't just about aesthetics. It's a potential game changer for millions dealing with tooth loss due to genetics, accidents, or age-related decay.